Look at all these wonderful ingredients nature has given us! Fresh milk makes everything taste better when we share it.
Fresh eggs are gifts we can turn into delicious meals.
Fresh herbs make simple food taste like magic. Nature provides ingredients when we know where to look.
Sweet fruits make our meals healthy and delicious. Good ingredients stored safely make better meals.
Searching together makes finding treasures more fun. Everyone can help prepare food in their own special way. Everything on the farm helps us create wonderful meals. Stored vegetables stay fresh when we take good care of them. Taking only what we need shows respect for nature's gifts.
Strong friends help carry the load when we work together.
Good organization makes cooking safer and more fun. Beautiful food arrangements make meals special for everyone. Reading recipes carefully helps us cook safely and well.
Smart planning makes recipes turn out perfectly.
Gentle care makes food clean and safe to eat. Quick work helps prepare meals efficiently. Natural sweeteners make our food healthy and delicious. Welcome to our first Great Cooking Festival! Cooking together means caring for each other. Meals made with love and teamwork always taste the best.
Kitchen safety helps everyone cook happily.
Yay! Following recipes carefully makes cooking successful. Gentle techniques create the most delicious results. Healthy breakfasts give us energy to help others all day. Fresh farm ingredients make the most nutritious breakfasts. Different cooking skills work together perfectly. Perfect timing comes from perfect teamwork. Hearty breakfasts warm our hearts and our bellies.
Water and land friends bring different gifts to cooking.
Everyone's contribution makes the meal complete. Fresh bread made with love feeds both body and soul.
Careful recipe and soft touch make perfect bread.
Fresh herbs and beautiful presentation honor our food. Colorful fruit salads bring rainbow nutrition to our table. Strength and grace together create beautiful meals. Art and precision together make food both beautiful and delicious. Natural sweeteners make healthy food taste amazing. Careful measuring makes recipes turn out perfectly every time. Quick work and steady hands create consistent quality. Presenting our food shows pride in our teamwork. Sharing meals makes food taste better than eating alone. Talking about cooking helps us learn even more. Cleaning together shows we care about our kitchen family. Fresh lunch gives us energy for afternoon helping. Learning from new friends teaches us new cooking skills. Warm soup made with love warms hearts as well as bodies. Different homes teach us different ways to cook. Patience and wisdom make the most flavorful soups. Fresh salads bring garden sunshine to our table. Above and below ground vegetables work perfectly together. Beautiful food that's healthy makes eating a celebration. Hearty sandwiches give us energy for hard work.
Balanced nutrition helps our bodies work their best.
Careful construction and festive spirit make meals special. Small sides make big differences in complete meals. Different places give us different delicious flavors.
Big help and small help are equally important.
Healthy desserts satisfy our sweet wishes naturally.
Patient mixing and experience create perfect texture.
Careful details make simple desserts look like treasures. Presenting our lunch shows respect for the food and our friends. Food made by many hands tastes like love. Teaching cooking skills means sharing love with the next generation. Simple recipes teach big lessons about caring for others. First cooking success builds confidence to try new things. Healthy snacks give us energy to keep helping friends. Colorful snacks make healthy eating fun and delicious. Our grand feast will celebrate everything we've learned today. Including everyone's needs shows we care about every friend.
Sharing cooking knowledge makes everyone a better cook.
Main courses anchored with vegetables and grains provide healthy energy.
Many side dishes create a feast that satisfies everyone. Fresh bread and grains give our bodies the energy to help others. Fresh beverages help our bodies stay healthy and strong. Celebration desserts made with natural ingredients honor our bodies. Beautiful table settings honor the food and our friendship.
Perfect timing means everyone enjoys food at its very best.
Our feast shows what amazing things happen when we work together. Sharing our feast makes every bite taste like celebration. Sharing what we learned helps the knowledge grow stronger. Writing down our recipes means we can share them with others. Regular cooking together keeps our friendship growing stronger. Daily cooking cooperation makes every day feel special.
Teaching cooking skills helps spread cooperation everywhere.
Cleaning together shows cooking teamwork, includes caring for our space. Cooking friendships become life friendships. Grateful hearts make every meal a blessing. Young cooks will carry cooking friendship to the future.
Good traditions grow when they're shared with others.
Planning meals together makes every day start with friendship. Sweet dreams come from sweet days spent cooking with friends. Cooking together becomes as natural as breathing. Cooking invitations are friendship invitations. Community kitchens create community hearts. Cooking lessons are life lessons about caring for each other. Cooking skills help us serve others with love. Together we cook, together we eat, together we grow in friendship every day.